We often have hidden treasures in our homes without even knowing it. Simple items like soda and Vaseline can be surprisingly useful for various purposes. They offer practical solutions for cleaning, beauty, and even minor health concerns. Let's uncover the amazing potential of these everyday items. You might be surprised by what you can achieve with them. These readily available and affordable items can often outperform expensive, specialized products. So, before rushing to the store, let's explore how to maximize what we already have. Get ready to be amazed by the versatility of soda and Vaseline. Beyond quenching our thirst, soda can be a powerful cleaning agent. Its fizziness helps break down dirt and grime. For example, a bit of cola can work wonders on stubborn toilet stains. Just pour, let it sit for a while and scrub away. Soda can also neutralize odors. Spilled something smelly in your gym bag? Place an open container of baking soda inside to absorb the unpleasant smells. Surprisingly, soda can even play a role in personal hygiene. Rinsing your hair with flat soda can add shine and volume. Vaseline, the renowned petroleum jelly, is a true multitasker. Its primary function is to lock in moisture, making it a fantastic moisturizer for dry skin, lips, and even cuticles. Apply a small amount to the affected area for instant hydration, but Vaseline's talents don't stop there. It can soothe minor burns, scrapes, and insect bites. Its protective layer helps the healing process and prevents infections. Vaseline can also remove makeup gently and effectively, even stubborn mascara. Incorporate these simple hacks into your routine and witness the magic. Use soda to clean your jewelry, deodorize your shoes, or even unclog a slow drain. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to prevent blisters from new shoes or to help your perfume last longer. These are just a few examples of how soda and Vaseline can make your life easier. Don't hesitate to experiment and find what works best for you. You'll be amazed by the versatility and effectiveness of these household staples.